In this video, I'll be unboxing my professional curling iron. So actually, I've been using this before now, but I just thought that I just got this, so why don't I share with you guys and how much I got it and how it is working. So this is a SONAR professional curling iron. I'm actually had to repack this video so that you can have the unboxing experience. All right, so let's unbox this. Okay, so yeah, first thing first, the first thing I like about this iron is the color. I like the fact that it is blue. The wire is pretty long but not too long. Yes, you might have to like stay where it is. I think this cannot even be up to 1 meter. Let me see, is it written on it? Okay, this is 25 centimeter. See, so anytime you want to buy it, anytime if you are planning on buying something like this, check the length of the cord of the wire is written here. So this is thick 25. Look, so 25 is what is thick here. So I didn't even check, I'm just like checking right now. See, that's the benefit of doing unboxing. I do struggle with it sometimes because it's a little bit too short compared to my straightener. So yeah, so this is where I on it. This is the switch where I on and off it. And guys, I'm not even going to lie, this curling iron is very hot, like very hot, I'm not even joking, very hot. It does the work, and it has this grip which allows you to grip the hair while you are rolling. There's no light right now. I could have just plugged it for you, but you can't even feel the temperature even if I plugged it, right? So what else? So yeah, price. So I got this curling iron November 2024 for 10,500 naira. 10,500 naira in Nigeria, or your state to be precise. So if you want to get something like this, so you're thinking of buying something like this, you can leave a comment. I cannot guarantee that you get this at the same price that I got it, but I can assure you that you get it without stress. All right, so I think that'll be all for the unboxing of this curling iron. I've been enjoying it so far and I do recommend it. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Kindly like, subscribe and share, and please, I'm begging you, leave a comment, leave a like, leave a heart or something. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye.